Okay, so where do burps come from?
Burps, well, they can come from foods that have air in them, and then there's an air bubble, and the and in and the and if the food in the stomach shakes back and forth, it'll make a gas bubble, and then it will coming up the gut, going through the esophagus, going past the part. If any food touches it, you'll get sick, and then out the mouth.
How about pongu? Where does pongu come from?
Well, if you are an English person, all English, that doesn't know Korean, then you just say it was a fart. But we call it pongu because that's how you say fart in Korean.
So where does pongu come from?
Good idea, Dad. So basically, it's air that doesn't escape. Then it just comes straight off the butt.
But that makes it escape. So where does it come from, though?
It comes from, remember the burp?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's kind of like the burp, except it won't escape out of the mouth. It will escape out of the butt.
Mm-hmm.
Well, the little crack of the butt. Well, out the crack of the butt, and then it just wanders around everywhere.
That's it?
But it gets stinky.
Well, what makes it stinky?
Large intestine. Because it's stinky in there. And whatever goes through the large intestine, it will turn into poop. But if it's air, it will be stinky and will come out the butt.
I see.
That's how burps and farts work. Or pongu. Burps and pongus are just burps and farts.
All right. Thanks.
So have a fun time with your life enjoying this video phase.
Okay, bye.
Doing